bombshell has been delivered by one of the most powerful figures in the world of international finance, Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, that might alter the course of XRP and the whole cryptocurrency industry. The biggest asset management organization in the world, BlackRock, is well known for its meticulous investment selection process, and now it's showing genuine enthusiasm for XRP. Many have long expected, but few have really contemplated, the possibility that XRP may enter the financial mainstream, and the engagement of BlackRock is a definite sign that XRP is starting to acquire recognition from institutional investors. For those who have been keeping tabs on XRP's ascent, this news is truly groundbreaking. What happened so suddenly? This new development shows that even the most respectable banks are starting to take cryptocurrency, even if Larry Fink has long been a wary figure regarding them, often worried about their unpredictability and lack of clear regulation. Sincerely think that the move by BlackRock towards XRP in his public statements may open the door for further major institutional investors to jump on the bandwagon, marking a major triumph for XRP. Although authorities and conventional banks have been wary of XRP for some time, the participation of BlackRock gives the cryptocurrency the stamp of approval from a household name in the financial industry. For XRP holders, what does this mean? Might there be substantial shifts in pricing? For first, the value of XRP rises because of the increased liquidity and stability brought about by the entry of institutional money into the market. Blackness in pricing, nevertheless, isn't everything. Involvement from rocks shows that even traditional finance is starting to use digital assets, which gives XRP the legitimacy it has been lacking and may make it a normal instrument for worldwide exchanges. Both XRP and the cryptocurrency sector as a whole are celebrating a watershed moment. New investors may enter the market, more institutions may embrace XRP, and more consumers may incorporate it into their financial systems now that the world's largest asset management has recognized its potential. The XRP community has been waiting for this kind of update, on the brink of, and things couldn't seem brighter going forward. One must understand the significance of Larry Fink and his company in order to completely grasp the depth of BlackRock's involvement with XRP. Larry Fink isn't your average financial figure. He's the CEO of BlackRock Fink, the biggest asset management firm in the world with trillions of dollars in assets. While being overseen for many years, BlackRock has been considered the undisputed leader in the investing sector because to its impeccable track record of choosing stable, high-value assets, other institutional investors, mindful of the risks associated with cryptocurrencies, are understandably apprehensive when someone of his stature and the clout of his company joins the market. Concerns about their instability and the possibility that they could disrupt existing financial institutions, although BlackRock's stance has evolved in the past few years. His move to invest in the cryptocurrency sector, and more specifically XRP, represents a watershed moment. It's a clear indication that even the largest international financial organizations are beginning to see the value, not merely a little recommendation, as well as the possibilities presented by virtual currencies such as XRP, which have been considered as a substitute investment choice for some time, but have met with resistance from large financial institutions. According to XRP, this shift in attitude makes cryptocurrencies more appealing to institutional investors who have been wary of them due to regulatory uncertainty and unpredictability, to begin viewing XRP as a genuine asset. Is there a broader market impact here for cryptocurrencies? Is it possible that the inclusion of XRP in BlackRock's investment portfolio, a firm known for its data-driven approach, could spur more institutional investors to start using crypto assets? Enterprise competing companies will likely follow suit. This bodes well for the future of digital assets as a part of the financial system, since more and more cash is flooding the market and infrastructure is springing up to support cryptocurrencies. Additionally, it proves that Ripple's XRP and blockchain technology might be the game changers in the financial industry. Cost to XRP investors, I am tremendously encouraged by this. The engagement of a renowned organization such as BlackRock lends credibility to XRP, which may inspire confidence among investors. The legitimacy that comes with BlackRock support is equally as important as having more institutional investors. It is possible that XRP demand will rise as more participants join the market, increasing market position, value, and adoption at an exponential rate. This partnership marks the beginning of a new age for XRP as its promise of a major impact on the financial system is beginning to take shape. We can see that BlackRock's action was crucial, and now XRP's future is brighter than ever. Let's take a look at how XRP's potential impact on BlackRock's market value and adoption rate is shaping up. The cryptocurrency market has historically been unpredictable, and many institutional investors have remained hesitant due to concerns about regulation and price volatility. But now that BlackRock has shown interest, things are likely to change because when an institution like BlackRock put their money into the market, the first noticeable effect will be a rise in liquidity. The market and the economy are both helped by this surge of investment, which makes things more stable overall. When large financial institutions like BlackRock become involved, it sends a message that cryptocurrency is here to stay, durable foundation upon which XRP and other cryptocurrencies can thrive. Institutional and retail investors alike may find XRP more appealing as an asset because to its potential lower price volatility brought about by increased liquidity. The participation of BlackRock brings XRP one step closer to being a widely used asset in the financial sector. If BlackRock continues to build its reputation, it will likely inspire other major. There will be repercussions beyond price hikes as more banks use Ripple software and XRP in their operations. If more financial institutions do the same, it can cause a domino effect that drives up XRP's value. As XRP finds more uses, its ability to serve as a medium of exchange for cross-border payments will grow. BlackRock's involvement is likely to persuade additional financial institutions, payment processors, and businesses to utilize XRP, which is an essential selling point. The revolutionary nature of this widespread acceptance lies in the fact that it increases demand for XRP, which could lead to further price increases. We've seen before how big endorsements can affect the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. For example, more and more banks and hedge funds have shown interest in Bitcoin as a store of value, which has led to an uptick in its institutional interest. This is also possible with XRP, but its unique application in the payment sector gives it a further benefit. XRP is more than simply a currency thanks to Ripple's partnerships with prominent financial institutions like PNC and Sandy and American Express, speculative asset that offers a realistic solution to the issues plaguing the banking industry. For XRP investors, ROC's involvement might be the cherry on top, giving the cryptocurrency the institutional backing it needs to establish itself as a major player